Hey, welcome to SIK Baggers YouTube channel. I'm Steve and I just wanted to welcome you to our channel. It's fixing to kick up a pretty big storm here, so I thought it'd be a good idea to go ahead and make this video for you guys. I wanted to take a couple of minutes today and welcome you to the channel and let you know a little bit about our channel and the best way to navigate our channel. If you're currently watching this video, then that means you're not subscribed to our channel, and that's cool. We would love to have you as a subscriber, so I just wanted to take a couple of minutes and let you know what we're about. We're going on about our 4th year now. We've right around 100, maybe a little bit more, 100 Harley-Davidson related videos. We concentrate mainly on the bagger side of Harley-Davidson, Road Glide, Street Glide, Road King, Ultras, all that good stuff. So most of the videos that you see on here are gonna be related to that. First thing I wanna let you know about the channel is we don't do this for money. Free videos all the time. We don't take donations, we don't do Patreon, we don't ask you for money, we don't have a secret squirrel website that you can sign up to that we're gonna flash down here at the bottom all the time and you pay me 20 bucks to go watch a video. It's not how this works. We're here to help you save money, not take money from you. I have a full-time job. I work for Advanblack full-time, and all of this stuff is just extra. We like doing this stuff for you guys, and the feedback we get from you makes it well worth it. Check out the videos down below because I've got them all in groups. You can go to the videos link and it'll show you all of them, or you can use the search menu inside of our channel and find something in particular. So if you guys have any questions or comments or anything like that, down below the videos in the comment section, leave a comment, leave your question down there. We check YouTube every day. You can find us over on Instagram, and you can also find us the Facebook group over, of course, on Facebook. So you would want to go over to Facebook and put in SIK Baggers, ask to join, and one of the staff will put you on there. So once you're on the Facebook side, it's a smaller group, but there's a lot of great guys that are always willing to help if somebody has a question. Plus we sell the SIK Bagger t-shirts over there, so we do batch orders all the time. And so if you're wanting some bagger swag, get up with us over there because that's where the t-shirts are at. Get on there, show off your bike. We do a bike of the week every week. We pick a bike and put it in the Facebook f***ing Alright, let's do this. Alright, let's go. So we go over the baby. So check out all the videos and make sure you prescribe. Nope, don't prescribe. I bet you guys thought we did all these videos in just like 1 or 2 takes, huh? Hey, somebody want to shut that fucking door? All right, let's go. Shit. I work on baggers. I like to work on baggers.